Hey traders, D7 here, and whoa, what a move in the markets today. Dow up a whopping 290 points, which is 2.6% move. Anytime you're over 2% in the indices, that is huge. S&P is up 25 points, just over 2%. Russell's was just at 2%, but not quite. But the NASDAQ lagging behind at 0.6%. Interesting. Well, let's take a look here at the S&P daily chart. Going back a couple months, I'm going to zoom in here. Now we're only going back a month and a half or so. Here's our hammer. We expected a pop. We did get the pop. Boom. Come up. I thought it would take 2 or 3 days to get here, but when the Treasury Department comes out and says they're going to do a takeover of the battered Freddie and Fannie groups, wow. I mean, the markets, even pre-market, the futures were pointing way up. But I'll tell you, I'm not going to be deceived in this. Check this out. We came screaming up. We pulled back a little bit. I'm going to get rid of my crosshairs here so we can see. Look where we stopped. Right where our line has been all along. See this support area? Support area, support area. Now it's acting as resistance, which happens to be right where the 50-day moving average is. It wouldn't surprise me if tomorrow we don't chop around right here a little bit. And I foresee this area as being a significant resistance point and a fantastic area to start going short. What I would love to see is a very close or a tight candlestick here, something really tiny. And if we get a lower low the next day, that could be absolutely scrumptious. I'll be looking for a short and a breakdown right here. Will we get it? It's anybody's guess. Let's see what happens in the markets here. So let's pay special attention to what's happening. Why we're here, let's look at Apple. So I'll tell you, technology did not do as well today. Look at this big gap up and a major sell-off. And then the markets brought it right back up here in this area. So Apple taking it on the chin still. It did find some support here in this area. You can see it. Let's look at Google. Google took a big drop. Look at this sell-off. I'm going to go back a little bit. See this line? We had resistance here, which should have acted as support. It didn't do it. See this line right here? We had support, support, and it broke it today on big volume. Google's in a lot of trouble right now, a lot of trouble, and it has some support now. It's sitting at major support as far as the weekly's concerned. Here's the weekly. Look at this. There's the major swing low that we had back here in March. It is precisely where we're at right now. Look at this. So Google, if it breaks this area right here, if it can get below $407, if it can get to like under 405, it's hard telling where this dude's going to go. It could really crash. Let's do the monthly on Google here also. On the monthly, it's, yeah, if it can get to under 403, it's going to break the support on the monthly also. It has a lot of support here at 380 area, 400, 380. So it has a little bit more to go through. But let's keep a close eye on Google. Well, there you have it. A couple updates on Apple and Google and also the broad markets as a whole. And thanks for all the great feedback on the new microphone. People say that you can hear me loud and clear. That's the way it should be. Sorry for all the subpar videos I've done in the past. So anyway, great. That's awesome. So there you have it. Take care. Happy trading to you. Until tomorrow. Catch you over in the forums.